Hey guys, have you ever wished to influence others or even your friends? If not, don't worry, all of us can influence others if we make sure the things we are going to discuss in this video has ever came to your mind. Also, I'm going to give you a special trick to grab others' attention at the end of the video. Here are some tips on how to influence people in a positive way. Let's get it on. Number 5. Be authentic. To influence people in a positive way, you need to be authentic, rather than being a carbon copy of someone else's version of authenticity. Uncover what it is that makes you unique in order to start making a positive impact on others. People instinctively appreciate people whose public persona matches their private values. Number 4. Listen. To learn how to influence people, you must listen to what is spoken and what is left unsaid. Therein lies the explanation for what people need in order to feel validated, supported and seen. If a person feels they are invincible and unseen by their superiors, they are less likely to be positively influenced by that person. Listening and being genuinely interested in them meets a person's primary need of validation and acceptance, which builds positive energy. Number 3. Lead by example. It is incredibly inspiring to watch passionate, talented people at work or play. One of the reasons a person who is not an athlete can be in awe of athletic prowess is because human nature appreciates the extraordinary. When we watch the Olympics, gymnastics, competitions, ice skating, and other competitive sports, we can recognize the effort of people who give their all day in and day out. We celebrate remarkable accomplishments and believe that their example is proof that we too can accomplish something great, even if it isn't qualifying for the Olympics. To influence people in a positive way, we must lead by example. Lead with intention and execute with excellence. Number 2. Catch people doing good. A powerful way to use positive influence is to catch people doing good. Instead of looking for problems, look for success. Look for often overlooked but critically important things that your peers, subordinates and managers do that make the work more effective and more enjoyable. Once you catch people doing good, name and notice their contributions. Show them you're interested in other people's success, as this will positively impact all of the personal and professional relationships you set out to create. Making an impact on someone's life is as easy as offering a compliment. And finally, number 1, be kind rather than right. It's easy to get caught up in a cycle of proving oneself. For people who lack confidence or people who prioritize the opinions of others, being right is important. The validation that comes with being perceived as right feeds one's ego. However, in the quest to be right, we can hurt other people and arouse resentment in others. Once we have hurt someone by being unkind, it is much harder to get them to listen to what they are trying to influence them to do. You can be kind and still stand firm in your position. Hope you guys liked the video. Do comment your thoughts in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe to the channel as it helps a lot.